Hello children, I am ready again with the next chapter of your course class 8, that is synthetic fiber and plastics. In your earlier class you must have studied about the fibers. 7th में आपका chapter है fiber to fabric. In that chapter you have studied about the fiber, that is animal fiber or प्लांट फाइबर, ये सब आप लोग पहले पढ़ चुके हैं. नाउ वी आर टर्निंग टू द सिंथेटिक फाइबर. नेचुरल फाइबर हमारे पास बहुत टाइप से मिलते हैं. नेचुरल फाइबर वी कैन ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स, वी कैन ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द मॉथ, सिल्क मॉथ जो होता है, वी कैन ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द एनिमल्स, वूल जो होता है, वी कैन गेट अ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फाइबर्स. But we can make some synthetic fiber also. What is the need of making the synthetic fiber? The basic need of making the synthetic fiber is the strongness. The need of synthetic fiber is only the strongness. We need when we require, because when we are dealing with the natural fiber, they are good, but they are not that much strong. But if we want to make something very strong, we need the synthetic fiber. So synthetic fibers are made by a composition of chemical compounds. That means a chain of the chemical compounds. This chain of compounds is called as polymer. You can see here. These are the diagram just like a bead, or this chain it is given. That means this is one molecule of a chemical compound. If a number of molecules are made in the form of chain, that is called as polymer. Alright, so these are the polymers which are combination of different molecules, not different molecules, a number of molecules of the same chemical, so that is called as the polymer. And we have a number of polymers, or we have a different types of synthetic fiber, in which I am taking some of them right now. Number one is rayon. Rayon is a synthetic fiber, and it is used as the artificial silk. You must have seen silk. That is, one is original silk and second one is the artificial silk. Artificial silk is made from the wood pulp. Normally the treatment of wood pulp and chemical treatment, definitely, because we are dealing with the man-made fiber. We make the fiber from the wood pulp, we mixing with certain chemicals, and we get a very fine, very beautiful fiber which is used as silk and called as the artificial silk. And some cloths are being made by using the artificial silk, and definitely some bed sheets are made, and sometimes this artificial silk is used to mix with the wool to make the woolen cloth also. Next is the nylon. Nylon is another man-made fiber which is one of the most strong fiber, and it was discovered in 1931. And this is one of the most strong, we are saying, because it's not easy to break the nylon. Just like earlier we used to make some socks using nylon and they were very strong, वो फटते ही नहीं थे. It was not possible for them to wear and tear, कुछ होता ही नहीं था उनको. Similarly, we can make some curtain, rope, tent, parachute. Otherwise, we make some of the strong things using the nylon fiber, just like rope, toothbrush, car belt. These all are made up of the nylon. You can see in your diagram, these things are made by the nylon. Nylon is one of the most strong. When you want to make a bag, parachute, you can see parachutes are very strong because of air pressure, they can break easily, so that we require to use the nylon here. Similarly, the climbing ropes should be strong, क्योंकि अगर माउंटेन क्लाइंबिंग में if they will break, then what will happen? The person will die. So we require that much strong rope which will never break. So that is made up of the nylon. Other than, next is polyester and acrylic. Polyester is another fiber. You must have heard about the polyester shirts, polyester cloth, which we use very easily, and we get lots of cloths made up of the polyester. They are exactly polyethylene terephthalate, that is made up of, or we call it as PET. And this polyester we are using in different to make the bottles, to make the utensils, make the film, wire, etc. They are made with the polyester and acrylic. जो हमारे घर में वायर होते हैं, वायर के ऊपर जो प्लास्टिक कोटिंग होती है, दैट इज़ एग्जैक्टली द पॉलिस्टर. बॉटल्स जो हमारी होती हैं, डिस्पोजेबल बॉटल्स, दे आर मेड अप ऑफ द पॉलिस्टर. दे आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ elements, different types of material by which we can make use of these things. Next one, we have the characteristics of synthetic fiber. Normally base is they are very strong fiber which are used to make different items. Number 2, they are light weighted so that we can carry them from one place to another place easily. Number 3, they can dry very easily, they are not wet for a long time. And number 4, easily washable. So these are some advantages of the synthetic fiber. Next will be our plastics, that will be in the next video. Thank you very much.